Hello everyone. I'm going to be showing you how to find and how to do your math homework assignments that are on Think Central. If you're in second grade, I'm going to be giving you a lot more assignments there these days, so you will need to know how to complete them. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Google Classroom page and click on the Classwork tab. And it's very important that every day you check with your son or daughter what their work is and go over the assignment and the directions. So right here you have the directions, and you'll notice that you don't have slides for the math homework. Instead, the math homework is right here. So you're going to click directly onto this right here where it says Student Portal. Another way to get on here is also by clicking on your bookmarks, SAUSD Learns bookmarks, and clicking on SAUSD Math. And that's just another way to get to this page if you prefer that way. Then you are going to click this blue icon that says Think Central. Today I'm going to log in as Jasmine. Okay, once you're logged in using your Google account, you're going to click over here where it says Things to Do. And you'll see right here that you have an assignment that says 117 second grade. If there's another assignment that you haven't done, that means you need to do that too. But you want to click on the bottom one first. That means that's the one that's due today. And you'll click on it again. And then this goes over the directions. You're going to click the arrows to go to the next question or to go to the previous question. You need to click Save and Close to an activity and return to it later. And you can change any answer until you click Turn It In. Once it's turned in, that's how you will get a score and you'll see your final answers. And you can always click this question mark to get help. So once you understand how to use the Math Trainer, you can click Start. And this is called the Math Trainer. So these are you can have it read it to you if your child needs help. Right here it says solve the problem. And here the first question says Shannon makes a pitcher of lemonade. She starts with 12 lemons. She uses 3 lemons. How many lemons does she have left? So this is a word problem, and I highly recommend that you use like a paper or a whiteboard or even Jamboard to complete these problems. You may want to open the app if you wanted to. You can go back to a different tab on this page and you can click on Rec and Rec, or you can do 10 frames. Let's say we took out the Rec and Rec though. And you solve the problem. You saw, I think they said 12. Let's go back to it. It was 12. See, it was 12. There it is. 12, and she uses 3 lemons. So then let's go back to our Rec and Rec. 12 take away 3 equals, and you can use the Rec and Rec to help you solve that. So you could say 10, 11, 12, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And then there's your answer right there, which would be 9. So you can use that to help you if you are stuck. So let's go back to the window. So you would say she has 12 lemons left. Now you can check your answer to see if it's right. Whoops, see, I got it wrong. We said the answer was, if we go back to our Rec and Rec, we can see the answer was 9. So you would click 9, check your answer. If you need to view an example because you don't know how to do it, you can click there and see how it's telling you could draw 12 circles. You could do a step-by-step. You can go to the textbook and that can help you to solve it. And you can use Kami to write on it. So then once you have your answer, you can go back. So let's close it step by step view. Let's go next. So you would say 9, and then you would click next. And then you'll get another one. So these are all ways that can help your child to find out the answer. Please sit down and take the time to help them though, so that way they remember so that way you're there to help them. So let's say you want to continue this. I'm going to click save and close. So I'm going to go back to number 1. I'm going to click that. Guess it won't let me. So I'm going to go to save and close. And that's all I needed to do. So, like I said, you can use these tools for drawing, or you could use a Jamboard or a piece of paper or whatever you're comfortable with. All right, thank you.